Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive into the world of DIY beauty. And specifically, we'll be creating a delightful hibiscus body scrub using yogurt and sugar. So let's get started. First, gather your ingredients: hibiscus flowers, yogurt, and sugar. Now, let's start by crushing the hibiscus flowers into a fine powder. You can use a mortar and pestle or a food processor for this step. Next, combine the hibiscus powder with yogurt and sugar in a bowl. Mix it all together until you have a smooth, even mixture. And voila! You've just created a nourishing and exfoliating body scrub that's perfect for a relaxing spa day at home. Remember, it's always a good idea to patch test any new product on a small area of your skin before using it all over. Enjoy your homemade hibiscus body scrub. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more DIY beauty tips.